This video will overview the procedure to connect the mowing deck on a 42-inch Craftsman lawn tractor, model number 917271530. Follow all safety measures, including the use of personal protective equipment, disconnecting the negative battery terminal, removing the ignition key, and removing the spark plug wire. This tractor has 7 connection points held in place by retainer springs, both single loop and double loop. Each retainer spring must be firmly in place. It is important to maneuver the mowing deck below the tractor carefully. Ensure the deck height adjustment arm is at the highest level to make this procedure go easier. In my opinion, installing a mower deck to a tractor requires time and patience. One should be deliberative and go slowly to ensure no mistakes. This also reduces the risk of injury. Here, I connected the rear suspension arm to the tractor body. I inserted the retainer spring. Good. Here, I connected the front left linkage arm. I inserted the retainer spring. Good. Next, I connected the deck belt to the pulley. I was careful to place the belt within the belt guard, which is not seen in the video. Next, I connected the front right linkage arm. I inserted the retainer spring. Good. Next, I connected the blade engagement cable, or cable clutch, which has 2 connection points below the tractor. First, I connected the plastic and retainer clip to the first connection point. I then placed the end of the spring onto the pulley and locked it in place with another retainer spring. I lowered the deck adjustment lever to the lowest position. Next, I connected the right suspension arm on the underside of the tractor to the mowing deck. I placed the single loop retainer spring. I had difficulty to place the spring, so I held it in place with needle nose pliers, and I used a hammer to tap the spring into place. Next, I connected the left suspension arm on the underside of the tractor body to the mowing deck. I was careful to ensure that the retainer spring would not make contact with the deck belt. The job is complete. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. In addition, if you found this video helpful, kindly like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.